Hi guys, this lesson we're going to talk about color shading. Before starting this game, you must assemble movable robotic hands and make sure that the ID and limit angle are set correctly. TonyPi Pro can recognize red, green, and blue colors with vision module. After recognizing, it will perform corresponding action. The principle and command used in this game can be viewed in the corresponding file under the sun directory. The color of the block needs to be placed on a surface with a height of 50 cm and the area of height does not exceed 1 cm, otherwise it may affect the game performance. You can directly use our product package to play this game. Now let's get started. Open LX terminal and the command to come to the directory of game programming. Please note that you must pay attention to case sensitivity and can following keyword with tab key. Then enter the following command and press enter to start the game. Please note that you'd better start game in wallet and solid color environment. Do not have objects within visual range that are the same as or similar to the colors of the block to avoid a failing experience. Now, let's look at the performance. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.